everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. We are working on page ideas for the altered book junk journal. We're using the altered book that I created in one of my lives. You can see last night we did some page updates, and we're using card ideas, construction of card making to add to our page ideas. And so I wanted to show you a continuation. This one's in here. This one is the diagonal fold card with a flip, and I made 2 pockets out of that. And then on this one, this is a portrait card, and we just open it up and made a pocket out of that. So you can do a lot with your pages, and this is a really fun journal. We're doing a travel. I haven't finished the cover yet, but got it started. All right, so we're going to take this piece from the travel junk journal with Rustic Playground. Is on her site. If you're interested, I have a code for you, Cindy, 50% off your first year. We're going to use this page and some pockets to add to this page here. Now, one thing that I always do is I use my ink brush, and it's a blending brush, and I add ink to the middle here because it's hard to get into it with this kind of sponge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out this piece to go on here. We're going to do a little cover here so that that's what we see in the background, not the words from the page, which that would be okay. Then we're going to put a pocket on top. Okay, let's get this pretty quick. So this page, I would go ahead and go around all the edges with my ink. So I've got my paper here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and see where I want to put this paper and where I want my cut to be to fit on this page. And so I'm just going to cut right here with, or punch, with my 2-inch part of the way in, like that. I'm going to take my ink around this edge, just a little bit, and then we'll line it up like this so you can see. It doesn't have to be perfect, and we've got our little edge here. We can always add more. So I'm going to take my glue and glue this down. One caution I do have you is with gluing, because you want to make sure you use enough glue, but you don't want your glue gluing your pages. So you want to make sure you have enough, but not too much, because you could glue your pages together. And you'll see what I mean. All right, so I've got this piece to go here on this page to cover up this part here where that hole will show. So we'll just glue this down, edge to edge. Now you can see I'm going to have a pocket and a thumb hole here to pull out whatever I put in that pocket, the side pocket. So I'm going to take my smaller tip glue, and first I'm going to take this one, and because we pulled out 8 pages in between here, we want to secure that spine a little bit and give it some more stability. So we're going to put glue in there, and then you're going to take your smaller tip or just lightly use your glue along the edges where you'll be gluing your pocket together, and press that in. And then you'll have your pocket secured with a side tuck here. Now I'm not going to glue this top portion down so I can easily access that pocket, but I am going to create another pocket on it. So let's take a moment and work on this pocket. This is also part of the kit. So if you cut it out, it comes on a page with several, and you fold in these little tabs on the sides. Now, what I want to do is just some collage work on here. So this is washi or a tape. Okay, so we're just going to add this to the side here to the pocket. And we're going to add a stamp. So we've got some watches. I'm just going to take this smaller one here and stamp that on in black. And we'll just stamp that on there. And then we can add a little clip. And I don't know why there's pink on my end of my glue. I think I had some ribbon or something on there, but it helps you see. Right, so then we're going to put this here. And then you could add a word or something. So I have a little quote. And I'll just put it right here. All right. So then I'm going to take my glue, go all along these tabs. And then we'll put that down on the outside of this page. I'll just put it right here. And then we have a pocket for another tag. And you can just set your little tag in there, and you have your pocket here to slide in whatever else you may have that you wanted to slide in there. So anyway, that's how to do that type of pocket in your altered book journal. Oh, and if you made it to the end, there is a hidden giveaway in this video, and it is a set of fall sentiment stamps, and all you put is welcome fall. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you'll enter the hidden giveaway. Thanks so much. Also, just don't forget, you can do all kinds of fun things with an altered book junk journal. Bye-bye.